Is your snake plant just sitting there, refusing to grow? You've watered it, moved it around, and waited for months, but nothing seems to happen. The truth is, snake plants are naturally slow growers, but they shouldn't completely stop growing. In this video, I'll reveal 7 simple fixes that can wake up your snake plant and encourage healthy new leaves and stronger roots. These easy tips are beginner-friendly, affordable, and based on how snake plants naturally grow. Stay until the end, because the final tip is one of the biggest mistakes most plant owners make without even realizing it. Let's help your snake plant thrive again. 1. Give it more bright, indirect light. Light is the #1 reason many snake plants stop growing. Although snake plants survive in dark corners, survival isn't the same as growth. Place your plant near a bright window where it receives plenty of indirect sunlight for 6 to 8 hours each day. Morning sunlight is excellent because it's gentle and encourages healthy photosynthesis without scorching the leaves. If your home has limited natural light, consider using an LED grow light for several hours daily. Avoid placing the plant in complete darkness for long periods because growth slows dramatically. Once your snake plant receives better lighting, you'll often notice stronger leaves, brighter colors, and eventually, new shoots emerging from the soil. 2. Use well-draining soil. Healthy roots create healthy plants. Snake plants hate sitting in wet soil because excess moisture suffocates the roots and causes rot. Replace heavy garden soil with a fast-draining cactus or succulent mix. You can also improve drainage by adding perlite, pumice, or coarse sand. Always use a pot with drainage holes so extra water can escape. Healthy soil allows oxygen to reach the roots, helping them absorb nutrients efficiently. If your soil stays wet for several days after watering, it's time to repot. Once the roots have the right environment, your snake plant can focus its energy on producing fresh, upright leaves instead of struggling to survive. 3. Water only when the soil is dry. Overwatering is the fastest way to stop snake plant growth. These drought-tolerant plants store water inside their thick leaves, meaning they don't need frequent watering. Before watering, insert your finger 2 to 3 inches into the soil. If it still feels moist, wait a few more days. During winter, watering may only be necessary once every 3 or 4 weeks. In warmer months, every 2 to 3 weeks is often enough. Water deeply until excess drains from the bottom. Then, allow the soil to dry again. Following this simple routine protects the roots and encourages healthier, faster growth throughout the year. 4. Feed it during the growing season. Even hardy snake plants appreciate extra nutrients while actively growing. During spring and summer, feed your plant once a month using a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength. Too much fertilizer can damage the roots and burn the leaves, so more isn't better. Organic compost tea or worm castings also provide gentle nutrition. Avoid fertilizing during winter because the plant naturally grows much slower. Consistent feeding during the growing season supplies the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium needed for stronger roots, healthier leaves, and more baby plants developing beneath the soil. Five. Repot. If it's root-bound. Sometimes your snake plant isn't growing simply because it has run out of space. If roots circle around the pot or emerge through drainage holes, the plant is likely root-bound. Choose a container only 1 to 2 inches wider than the current pot. A pot that's too large holds excessive moisture, increasing the risk of root rot. Repotting refreshes the soil, improves airflow, and gives the roots room to spread. After repotting, water lightly and place the plant in bright, indirect light. Within several weeks, you'll often see renewed growth as the roots establish themselves in their new home. Six. Keep it warm. Snake plants love warmth. The ideal temperature ranges between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, minus 29 degrees Celsius. Cold drafts, air conditioners, and freezing temperatures slow growth significantly and may even damage the leaves. Avoid placing your plant near open doors during winter or directly beneath air conditioning vents. Stable indoor temperatures help the plant maintain active root growth and efficient photosynthesis. If you move your snake plant outdoors during summer, bring it back inside before nighttime temperatures become too cool. Keeping your plant consistently warm creates ideal conditions for producing healthy, upright foliage all year long. 7. Be patient. Growth takes time. The final fix is simply understanding your plant. Snake plants are naturally slow growers compared to many houseplants. Even under perfect conditions, they may produce only a few new leaves each growing season. Avoid constantly moving the pot or changing its care routine every week. Plants need consistency to establish healthy roots and adapt to their environment. Watch for small signs of progress, like brighter leaf color, stronger stems, or tiny pups emerging from the soil. Patience, combined with proper care, is often the secret ingredient that transforms a stagnant snake plant into a thriving, beautiful houseplant. Now you know the 7 simple fixes that can help your snake plant start growing again. Most growth problems come down to lighting, watering, soil, temperature, or simply giving the plant enough time to thrive. Try these tips consistently, and you should begin seeing healthier leaves and exciting new pups in the months ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more indoor plant care tips. Which of these fixes will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.